Discharge versus exchange, understanding the value of debt management. This discussion explores the concepts of discharging and exchanging debts, offering insights into their definitions, applications, and implications for financial management. The goal is to help you understand why exchanging debts could be a more effective strategy for managing obligations while maintaining equity and honor. Understanding discharge. Definition: a discharge refers to the extinguishment or release of a legal obligation or duty. This occurs when a debt or contract is cancelled or destroyed. For example, a discharge of payment means the borrower is no longer legally obligated to pay the debt. Key aspects of discharge. 1. Bankruptcy context. Bankruptcy laws allow for the reduction or elimination of certain debts.
\n. Secure debts are tied to personal or real property, e.g., vehicles or commercial paper, and often require collateral.
\n. 2. Discharge of debts. Courts may issue a discharge ruling when specific requirements are met, effectively canceling the debtor's liability. \n. Debt cancellation agreements. DCA may include provisions for forgiving remaining balances under certain conditions, such as death or property loss. \n. Discharge under negotiable instruments, Article 3. The obligation to pay under a negotiable instrument can be discharged through an agreement or legal act. \n. However, discharge is not effective against a holder in due course, someone acquiring rights to the instrument without notice of the discharge. Introducing exchange. Definition: an exchange involves transferring goods or property of like value between parties, either physically or through a process like financial trading. \n. Examples include commercial paper, money, leases, or securities. Key aspects of exchange. 1. Chattel property. Refers to tangible, movable personal property, such as money or commercial paper. \n. Chattel can be transferred or exchanged under property law principles. 2. Transfer of title. Transfer involves voluntarily conveying property or assets from one person to another, such as through a sale, lease, or gift.
\n. A transfer may not always require legal documentation, but certain assets, e.g., real estate, require formal registration.
3. Exchanges in financial markets. Exchanges act as organizations facilitating trading between buyers and sellers of commodities and securities. \n. Examples include stock exchanges or commercial paper exchanges under Article 9 of the Uniform Commercial Code, UCC. Debt exchange offers. What is a debt exchange offer? A debt exchange offer allows issuers or third parties to refinance existing indebtedness or extend maturities by exchanging old securities for new ones. Objectives include reducing coupon payments, modifying covenants, or achieving liability management with minimal cash outlay. How does it work? New securities are offered in place of old ones, often based on a ratio determined by their respective values. This approach can provide flexibility in managing debt obligations while preserving relationships with creditors. The power of the payment coupon. Re-evaluating the coupon. The payment coupon, often dismissed as a simple billing document, may hold value as a tool for debt exchange. By understanding the language and intent of these documents, you can leverage them for financial benefit. Action steps. 1. Recognize value. The payment coupon represents an opportunity to exchange rather than discharge debts. \n. Add consideration. Completing and returning the coupon with an enclosed amount may constitute consideration and form part of an agreement. \n. Explore equity. Learn how exchanging obligations aligns with principles of equity and honor. Takeaways and next steps. 1. Discharge versus exchange. While discharge eliminates debt, exchange provides a dynamic approach to managing obligations by leveraging existing assets or agreements. 2. Understand the system. Familiarize yourself with the legal and financial mechanisms behind these processes through resources like the UCC and debt exchange frameworks. 3. Join the community, access free PDFs and join our group to deepen your knowledge and gain support in implementing these strategies. Learn more. Visit the website to download free resources. Conclusion. By understanding the difference between discharging and exchanging debts, you can unlock new strategies for financial management. The payment coupon is not just a bill, it's a tool with potential value when used correctly. Embrace the principles of equity and honor by learning, applying, and sharing these insights. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Share this knowledge with friends and family to empower them with the tools for better financial decisions.